Installation of covered conductor, midspan joint, pre-insulated type. In this video, you will learn how to install a pre-insulated midspan joint on a MV covered conductor. Note: please use proper tools, procedures and personal protective equipment to avoid injury. Also, ensure you follow these safety precautions. You will need the following tools and equipment for the installation: pre-insulated midspan joint as per conductor size, suitable compression tool with dies measuring scale and marker wire brush or cleaning tool, insulated tools, personal protective equipment. Before starting the installation, conduct a site inspection. Verify that both conductor ends are free of damage and corrosion. Confirm that the selected joint matches the conductor size and specification. Ensure the joint and conductor meet all required standards. BSEN 50397-2. Ensure hexagonal crimping dies is of suitable size as the connector. Let's start with the installation. Step 1. Cut the conductor ends to the required length. Ensure clean and smooth cuts without burrs. Step 2. Clean the exposed conductor surface with a wire brush to remove any dirt or oxide layer. Step 3. Insert each conductor end fully into the pre-insulated sleeve of the joint. Make sure the conductors meet at the center of the sleeve. Step 4. Using the compression tool with the correct dies, crimp the joint as per the manufacturer's sequence. Apply crimping evenly along the entire length of the sleeve. Step 5. Check that the insulation layer of the joint is intact and fully covering the conductor entry points. The joint must provide both mechanical strength. Step 6. Inspect the joint alignment. Ensure the conductor is straight and the joint is firmly compressed. You have successfully installed the pre-insulated midspan joint on the covered conductor. If you have any doubts, reach out to us on our website axis-india.com. We have a team of 50+ engineers ready to help you design and install your next covered conductor project. You will find AB cable accessories and covered conductor accessories in various rural electrification projects all across South Asia, Africa and Latin America. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos about testing and installation of AB cable accessories, lugs, connectors and other electrical engineering topics.